This is the American-made Microtech Exocet. This is an interesting little knife named after a French missile. The overall length of the knife is 5.625 inches. The wide double-edged dagger-style blade comes in at 1.98 inches. This double-action OTF automatic knife features a thumb slide firing switch that is extremely easy to use for right and left-handed users. The large clip on the knife can be used as a pocket clip or a money clip. The Microtech Exocet comes in a huge selection of flavors, including different blade finishes and handle colors. Blade steels vary between models, but all Exocets come with aluminum handles. Let us know down below which Microtech you love. As with all Microtech knives, the Exocet comes with a lifetime warranty. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.